Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today we'll be making dare Thai. This is a very well-known Vietnamese dessert, so let's get started. In a large bowl you'll need a can of green ao jelly. Make sure to drain the syrup and slice into cubes. You'll need a can of jackfruit. Make sure to drain the syrup and slice into strips. You'll need a can of Logan. Make sure to drain the syrup before adding into the bowl. You'll need a can of palm seeds. Make sure it says heavy syrup. This will thicken the dessert. You'll need to pour in the entire can of lychee, including the syrup. This will help sweeten the dessert. Then combine all the jelly and fruit together. You'll need to pour in 2.5 cups of half and half milk. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Then refrigerate up to 4 hours, or for best results I usually make this dessert before I go to bed and leave it in the fridge overnight. Then remove from fridge either after 4 hours or overnight, and make sure to stir the dessert before serving. This dessert will change from white to a pastel green color because of the green grass jelly. And here you have it, dare Thai dessert that's simple and easy to make. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.